got my trusty old peanut butter and jelly sandwich that I just made. I'm going to put it in a baggie, put it in my pocket, and let it marinate for a little bit. And let's check in a little bit and see how it tastes. Okay, so we've been skiing for another hour or so after lunch, and I think my peanut butter and jelly sandwich has been marinating pretty good. Let's hang on here, and I don't know, it's kind of cold. I'm gonna have to zip open my pocket, dig it out of my pocket, and let's see. Oh yeah, I think it still needs a little bit of time. It's really not that smushy yet. So we're gonna put it back in the pocket and let it bake for a little bit longer. We'll check in a little bit. Here we are checking in at Sun Valley, Idaho. It's snowing. We are having a great day. Visibility is a little bit tough up top. But anyways, I thought I'd check in on the status of my peanut butter and jelly sandwich. I didn't eat it the other day when we were at Lost Trail. I guess I put it in my pocket and didn't get hungry enough. But so I think it's been marinating long enough. So let's check in and see how it's doing. Reach into my pocket. Oh, it's way down in there. Oh yeah, I can feel. Oh yeah, now it's looking good. So here is the status of my peanut butter and jelly sandwich the other day. We've been skiing hard. I'm hungry. We're on the lift, and I think it's time to enjoy some of this peanut butter and jelly sandwich. What do you guys think? Anybody want a bite?
Not the littlest bit.
All right, see how skinny it is now? That is part of what makes a peanut butter jelly sandwich so tasty. So good. This snack is like the best, cheapest ski snack there is. Nothing like a peanut butter jelly sandwich. Skiing in powder with your family. If you are going to overtake someone,
That's when I crashed.
you have to really give them...
He made me crash.
You started spinning before I was in the beginning.
It's not true. You ran